Ladies and gentlemen, and we begin the bulletin with some breaking news coming in from the national capital, where high-voltage drama erupted in Delhi as West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee went head-on with Delhi police. Just hours before her crucial meeting with the Election Commission, Mamata Banerjee exploded over what she called excessive police deployment outside Bongo Bhavan in Delhi. In a fiery confrontation, the Chief Minister questioned the cops on the spot. "Why are you here? Why are you following me everywhere?" is what West Bengal Chief Minister questioned the Delhi police. The Delhi police maintained that they were present only for her security. With tempers flaring and cameras rolling, the standoff has set the stage for a no-holds-barred political showdown in the national capital.
Brother, what happened? Why you people are here? क्यों? क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? आप लोगों ने क्या करना है इधर में? दिल्ली पुलिस से क्यों आप लोग थ्रेट कर रहा है? अब इधर में रुको, भाग क्यों रहे हो? देखिए भाई, हम नमस्ते करके कहते हैं। आप लोगों को जैसा भाई बहन है, हमारा भी भाई बहन है। अगर कोई लोगों को घर में कोई आदमी को डेथ हो गया SIR में, वो लोग बच्चा लेके वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का पास बात करने के लिए आए। हमारा पास प्रेस मीडिया है, मीडिया के साथ मिक्स करने के लिए आया। हम कोई एजुकेशन नहीं करने के लिए आया। अगर हम एजुकेशन करते तो आप लोगों को हम दिमाग खराब कर देते। अगर आप हमको कुछ ऐसा करेंगे बेइज्जती, तो हम भी इज्जत का सब काम लेना चाहता है। लेकिन आप मेहरबानी करके इसको बात सुनते हमारे लोगों को हैरान मत करो। घर घर में जाके घूम रहा है, कोई आया कोई नहीं आया। क्यों नहीं आएगा? अगर जिसको आदमी को डेथ हो गया है वो नहीं आ सकता है, मीडिया को नहीं बता सकता है। वो लोगों का हक है आने का। वो क्या इंडियन का नागरिक नहीं है? जो लोग जिंदा है उसको मृत्यु बना दिया, डेथ बना दिया। इसी के लिए थोड़ा से लोग आया, ज्यादा सो नहीं आ पाए कि हमारा भी SIR चल रहा है, हम भी बिजी है, हमारा भी बजट सेशन चल रहा है। लेकिन दिल्ली पुलिस का हरकत देखो। हम दिल्ली पुलिस को गाली नहीं देंगे कि उसका फॉल्ट नहीं है, लेकिन आप लोग पूरा देखो, पुलिस को दिखाने दो। आप लोग तो बैरिकेड कर दिया उसको। आप लोग प्लीज मेहरबानी करके आप लोग हटा जाओ, थोड़ा साइड हो जाओ। और व्यू पुलिस को साइड कर दे। देखिए, सब दिल्ली पुलिस को लेके आया, जिधर में हमारा लोग है, एक पूरा बास भर्ती करके ले आया। देखो, आप पुलिस को दिखाइए, हमको मार दिखाइए, आप पुलिस को दिखाइए।
कैमरा उस तरफ घुमाइए ना,
कैमरा उधर में घुमाइए।
दीदी सुरक्षा के लिए पुलिस कह रही है।
Brother, what happened? Why you people are here? क्यों? क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? आप लोगों ने क्या करना है इधर में? दिल्ली पुलिस से क्यों आप लोग थ्रेट कर रहा है? अब इधर में रुको, भाग क्यों रहे हो? देखिए भाई, हम नमस्ते करके कहते हैं। आप लोगों को जैसा भाई बहन है, हमारा भी भाई बहन है। अगर कोई लोगों को घर में कोई आदमी को डेथ हो गया SIR में, वो लोग बच्चा लेके वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का पास बात करने के लिए आए। हमारा पास प्रेस मीडिया है, मीडिया के साथ मिक्स करने के लिए आया। हम कोई एजुकेशन नहीं करने के लिए आया। अगर हम एजुकेशन करते तो आप लोगों को हम दिमाग खराब कर देते। अगर आप हमको कुछ ऐसा करेंगे बेइज्जती, तो हम भी इज्जत का सब काम लेना चाहता है। लेकिन आप मेहरबानी करके इसको बात सुनते हमारे लोगों को हैरान मत करो। ये लोग क्या रास्ता पे रुकेगा? सड़क पे रुकेगा? नहीं तो आपको घर में लोग जायगा दीजिए, हम भेज देता है। एक ठीक नहीं है।
ठीक है।
आप जो जगह में लोग रहता है, आप उधर में जाके सब सुबह से तंग किया है। मैं देखो घर का कपड़ा पड़ के चलाया, इसी के लिए हमको रुक नहीं सकता है। अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट परमिशन देगा, हमने फाइल किया है केस, तो कर सकता है। जो जिंदा है, आप सोचो, अगर कोई जिंदा है, उसको लिस्ट में
Well, she is the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee, and her politics is built over being a street fighter. And the visuals that we are playing on our screens right now is all happening here in the national capital. My colleague is joining me right now from Abhishek Banerjee's residence here, Sunita Jha. Well, Sunita, take us through what exactly is happening right now, what is expected here on. Mamta Banerjee has come along with the families of those aggrieved family members who've lost their near and dear ones during the process of SIR. She wants to meet the election commissioner, but where does her entire program stand today?
You know, she's come with a 15-member delegation to meet the ECI, Election Commission. She says that the SIR attitude towards her is very biased, discriminatory, and she says that it's politically very unfair for her that the SIR is being done in such a manner where people are dying, and she's also met the victims' families. And she plans to, at 4 o'clock, she plans to meet the ECI. And further on, she says that what is the fear that so much of Delhi police deployment has been there, that why isn't she being allowed to move freely? She is being guarded by police all the time. And at 4 o'clock, after meeting the ECI, she would be probably, that sources say, that she would also be meeting other leaders. It could be Rahul Gandhi also. But her main concern is that why is the police being deployed in such a large number here, where she's just come to meet the Election Commission of India.
Absolutely, Sunita. But as far as the police and the security personnel around that we are showing on our screens right now are concerned, they are maintaining that they are here for Mamta Banerjee's own security. Is the West Bengal Chief Minister buying that, or is she trying to insinuate that there is a sense of a conspiracy to block her movement? What is she trying to suggest?
Yeah, she's trying to suggest that she's being, restrained from meeting people, and she's being the government has a fear that she would move towards Amit Shah's Home Minister Amit Shah's residence or the Prime Minister's residence. So that is the fear the government has. So she's saying that that is why she's being guarded so much by the Delhi police. That is her concern. She's saying that why isn't she being allowed to meet freely, whereas she wants to just put up her concerns to the Election Commission.
But Sunita, is this normal security when a chief minister comes to the national capital to meet any of the members from the government or the ministers from the government or any of the institutions? Is this the kind of security usually accorded to a sitting chief minister when they come to the national capital? Or is this more than what is usually assigned to a chief minister during her movement in the national capital?
I could say it's a little more, because we can see, in the Raisina Road also there were barricades. There were barricades around the Home Minister's house also. So I think it's a little more, but it's not the kind of the deployment that she is, saying that it is there in place. That is not too much, but it usually happens. But here the fear was that she may create a hangama, because that is why there is deployment, but it's not very large, I would say.
Absolutely, Sunita. Thank you for getting us all those details, but kindly stay with us. I'm also joined by my colleague Sabyasachi right now. Well, Sabyasachi, Mamta Banerjee is very clear in her optics and in her messaging. She is saying that I am not going to say anything against the Delhi police over here. They are here following instructions. She is exactly trying to say that those who have deployed her here, she in a sense is trying to hit out at the home ministers to say that they are the ones, the home ministry is the one that has put this sort of a deployment around her to keep a check on her movement, to keep a tab on who is coming and meeting her. She is creating this hangama, like our colleague Sunita was saying, but it is all very well calculated.
Well, that's right. See, first we need to understand that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was at the residence of Abhishek Banerjee, that is 181 South Avenue. Now, after that, she got the information that people who are coming to the Bongo Bhavan, people who have been affected because of the SIR process. Now, the Trinamool Congress had set up camps in the Bongo Bhavan in Haley Road as well as in the Bongo Bhavan in Chanakyapuri. Now, after she got the information that there is large deployment of Delhi police personnel outside the Bongo Bhavan, and as per Trinamool Congress, the Delhi police is harassing and restricting the movement of the people. Now, after that, Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee decides to visit both the Bongo Bhavan in the national capital, and after which we saw the confrontation that she had with the Delhi police personnel. Now, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is alleging that the Delhi police is trying to create an atmosphere, an environment of intimidation as well as an environment of surveillance. She says that when Union Home Minister Amit Shah visits West Bengal, she puts out red carpet, but when she comes to the national capital, it's a black carpet for her. Now, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, not even once but several times could be seen in the visuals asking the Delhi police personnel and the security personnel that why are they deployed, what is the reason that they are deployed outside the Bongo Bhavan. Now, what we are learning from the Trinamool Congress is that the Trinamool Congress have sent Dola Sen, Member of Parliament Sagarika Ghosh as well as Bapi Haldar to Bongo Bhavan in Haley Road, where the Trinamool Congress says that Delhi police officials are still harassing and obstructing the people who are coming in to the Bongo Bhavan. Now, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's schedule is likely to hold a press conference tomorrow in Bongo Bhavan, where she is expected to interact with the people who have been affected because of the SIR process. Now, she also went on to say that she is not here to carry out any sort of agitation or protest in roads, but she is here to seek justice. She is here to seek justice for the lives of the brothers and sisters who, as per Trinamool Congress, have lost their life because of the SIR process.
Right, Sabyasachi, kindly stay with us. Let us once again listen to what exactly Mamata Banerjee was saying, and then I'll come back to you both, to Sunita and to Sabyasachi.
घर घर में जाके खून ढूंढ रहा है, कोई आया कोई नहीं आया। क्यों नहीं आएगा? अगर जिसको आदमी को डेथ हो गया है वो नहीं आ सकता है, मीडिया को नहीं बता सकता है। वो लोगों का हक है आने का। वो क्या इंडियन का नागरिक नहीं है? जो लोग जिंदा है उसको मृत्यु बना दिया, डेथ बना दिया। इसी के लिए थोड़ा से लोग आया, ज्यादा सो नहीं आ पाए कि हमारा भी SIR चल रहा है, हम भी बिजी है, हमारा भी बजट सेशन चल रहा है। लेकिन दिल्ली पुलिस का हरकत देखो, हम दिल्ली पुलिस को गाली नहीं देंगे कि उसका फॉल्ट नहीं है, लेकिन आप लोग पूरा देखो, पुलिस को दिखाने दो। आप लोग तो बैरिकेड कर दिया उसको। आप लोग प्लीज मेहरबानी करके आप लोग हटा जाओ, थोड़ा साइड हो जाओ। आप व्यू पुलिस को साइड कर गए। देखिए, सब दिल्ली पुलिस को लेके आया, जिधर में हमारा लोग है, एक पूरा बास भर्ती करके ले आया। देखो, आप पुलिस को दिखाइए, हमको मार दिखाइए, आप पुलिस को दिखाइए। कैमरा उधर में घुमाइए।
दीदी, सुरक्षा के लिए पुलिस कह रही है।
All right, now we get you some breaking news at this point in time, where the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee met the SIR affected families briefly in the national capital ahead of her much-hyped meeting with the CEC today. The West Bengal Chief Minister has stepped up the ante against the Special Intensive Revision, or the SIR, accusing it of being biased and politically motivated in the state. A 15-member Trinamool Congress delegation led by Mamata Banerjee and Party National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee is set to meet the Chief Election Commissioner today to formally register what the party calls its grave concerns over the conduct of the SIR exercise in Bengal. The TMC has alleged that the SIR process is arbitrary, discriminatory and aimed at targeting specific sections, and has demanded immediate corrective action from the Election Commission. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time, where the party has also claimed that despite repeated representations to the Election Commission, its concerns have so far gone unanswered, prompting today's high-level intervention. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has hit out at the Election Commission over the SIR issue. She claimed that over 30 deaths have happened in the state due to the voter revision exercise. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time. As the West Bengal Chief Minister is here in the national capital, she is set to meet the Chief Election Commissioner. But before that, she met the families that have been affected due to the SIR exercise. A high-voltage drama erupted in the national capital as West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee went head-on with the Delhi police. Those are the visuals on your screens right now, ladies and gentlemen, where just hours before a crucial meeting with the Election Commission, Mamata Banerjee exploded over what she called excessive police deployment outside Bongo Bhavan here in the national capital. And to get us a view and opinion on this entire incident, I'm joined by BJP spokesperson from West Bengal, Mr. Rahul Sinha, here with me. Mr. Sinha, good afternoon. Thank you for taking your time and joining me here at News 9. We are playing out these visuals on our screens, Mr. Sinha. Mamata Banerjee is questioning the police deployment outside Bongo Bhavan. She is saying she doesn't have a bone to pick with the police, but she is questioning that why is there this heavy security deployment, although the police maintains it's for her own security. How do you look at this development, Mr. Rahul Sinha?
देखिए, ममता बनर्जी इलेक्शन कमीशन से जो भेंट करने गई वो तृणमूल सुप्रीमो का नाते गई, मुख्यमंत्री के हिसाब से नहीं। और एक इलेक्शन कमीशन को ज्ञापन देने के लिए 3 आदमी, 4 आदमी, 5 आदमी हो सकता है, लेकिन उन्होंने बंगाल से बहुत सारे लोगों को लेके गया। जैसे उनका छवि उन्होंने बना लिया, पहले ईडी का जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन में शस्त्रों लेके सारे लोगों को लेके ईडी का जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन से डकाती करके लेके आया, तो उनका छवि तो डकात बन गया। इसीलिए कौन भरोसा करेगा? पश्चिम बंगाल पुलिस खड़ा होके डकाती देखेगा, लेकिन बाहर का तो किसी जगह ऐसा नहीं करेंगे। सबका तो निरापत्ता देखना पड़ेगा। इसीलिए कोई बराबरी नहीं हो रहा है, जो हो रहा है सही हो रहा है। कारण वो कोई 4-5 आदमी का प्रतिनिधि दल लेके आते कोई समस्या नहीं होता, लेकिन हजारों लोगों को वही पर उन्होंने जुड़ के लेके गया, क्या नाटक करने के लिए। तो इसीलिए दिल्ली पुलिस जब जो छवि जिनका बनाया उनके ऊपर भरोसा, उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई ऐसे ही करना है। तो इसीलिए बंगो भवन में जाके ममता बनर्जी देखे जो उन्होंने उनका छवि आईना से देखे कैसा छवि उन्होंने बनाया।
शुक्रिया राहुल सिन्हा हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए और अपना ओपिनियन सामने रखने के लिए कि जिस हिसाब से आप देख रहे हैं, आप क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं कि ममता बनर्जी यहाँ पे क्यों इस तरह का हंगामा क्रिएट कर रही हैं।